Now, if two or more prepositions are combined to make a word, it is known as a multi-word preposition. For example, apart is combined with from, and the multi-word preposition is apart from. Likewise, except combined with for is except for. Apart can be used as an adjective, an adverb. Apart from can signify either inclusion or exclusion. It can signify including or excluding. For example, apart from Asia, they also toured Europe. This signifies inclusion, that they toured Asia, thereafter they toured Europe. When the context is inclusion, then the multi-word preposition apart from can mean besides something, or including something, or in addition to something. So the sentence may be rephrased as besides Asia, they also toured Europe, or in addition to Asia, they also toured Europe. When the context is exclusion, then it only means except something, accepting something, non-inclusion. For example, all were present apart from Sam and Rosie. Accepting Sam and Rosie, everybody was present. Except for signifies only exclusion. It does not signify any inclusion. It is only excluding. All were present except for Sam and Rosie. Now, earlier we had done a sentence, all were present apart from Sam and Rosie, and now we are doing all were present except for Sam and Rosie. So we can conclude that they are interchangeable. Logically, it follows that only. Another sentence, another example for exclusion may be he likes all cuisine except intercontinental. Or he likes all fruits except bananas or mangoes or whatever fruit you don't like. I in fact like everything. Now, with respect to exclusion, apart from and except for are interchangeable. All were present apart from Sam and Rosie, so apart from can be replaced with except for. To summarize, the prepositional multi-word apart from can be used to mean including or excluding, but except for only means excluding. If excluding is the meaning to be used, then apart from and except for are interchangeable. Easy? Any doubts? Any questions? No? All right. Thank you.